Hey you guys! I haven't gone live in so long that I kind of forgot how to do it. So I got on my computer and went into my Facebook and pushed go live, and I was about to go live, and it said your camera is not supported by your current browser. So of course it's not. Why would it why would it just be that easy? So now I'm on my phone and it's super close. Okay. That's okay. Anyway, thank you for joining me. I just feel like I haven't gone live in so long, and I really should weekly. And I think part of the reason that I should is because my poor family, my daughter, my husband, my son, my parents, my in-laws, my friends, I'm just always dumping on them of I have this idea, here's what I want to do, and look at my Coastal Calm kit. And they hear it so much that I feel like if I did that to you guys once a week, you could give me feedback, and they wouldn't have to hear it all so much. But anyway, couple of things. So one thing is Coastal Calm kit. You guys, I've never made a summer kit before, and you guys, I didn't know it would be so huge. So I'm so excited that so many of you bought it. I did release another 100 a couple of hours ago. So you can head over to www.minsofzen.com if you want to get a coastal kit still. That will be the last 100. There will be no more after that. So if you want to get that, go ahead. You do not need the kit, of course, to do the videos. You can do the videos with just pen and paper. So the coastal kit's just cute. It's got fun little stuff in it. Two things about the kit. One is there are no bird cards this month, and I'm so sorry. I tried so hard, you guys. I worked for 2 weeks on what kind of a bird with a beach ball, a flamingo. I did all these things. And then the day I went to print them, my computer started making, not my computer, my printer made this terrible noise, and it would not feed the thick paper. And I was like, what am I gonna do? They need their birds, but you did not get one. So I'm so sorry. Hopefully the next kit has one, but can all survive without it, I know. The other thing is that your kits were meant to have a tortillon, or a little blending tool from Tangle. I forgot to order them. So most of you that have my kits have had your kits before, or already have the supplies and will already have a blending tool. If you do not have a blending tool, you can go to zentangle.com and order. It's just a little white, it's so inexpensive, little white paper blending tool. Or you can go on Amazon or go to your local craft store. They're so inexpensive. Or you can use a Q-tip. So that might be what I do, just to kind of show another way, but you can use a Q-tip. So anyway, Coastal Calm kit stuff. So that's all starting August 4th. Right now I have 10 videos planned. There may end up being a couple of more because it's just so much fun. There's so many great ocean-themed tangles. There's so many great little compilations you can do with them. So August 4th they will start. They will release Monday through Friday for at least 2 weeks, and possibly a few more weeks. Okay, it's going to be so much fun. All right, the other thing I wanted to mention is Summer Tangle 2025. That's what it's called. It is being put on by Angie Giddles, a CZT. She's amazing. You've probably all heard of her. And it's going to be so great. There's 4 teachers. It is going to be live on August 2nd. So not this Saturday, but next Saturday. And it goes all day. So there are people that tune in from, I don't know what time it starts, probably 9, I don't know. All day, from morning till night. They just sit and tangle all day. Other people pop in for 1 or 2 and then just watch the recordings later. But it's going to be so much fun. I think I might be the first session. I don't know. I'm one of the sessions, and we all had to come up with something a little bit unique. So I'm excited to share, not here, but I'm excited to just share a new idea. So I think the cost is $43, but you get 4 2-hour classes, and you get the videos for 6 months. So well worth it. Amazing CZTs. I can't remember exactly who it all is, or I would tell you. But anyway, it's going to be so much fun. So you can still register. You can go, you can scroll down my Facebook page. I have the Summer Tangle link, or you can contact Angie Giddles and she can send you the information. But it's going to be great. So that's August 2nd. After that day, you cannot register. So if you see the classes that day, like, like a week later, you see somebody post it and you're like, that looks amazing, I want to go back and buy it. I don't think you can. I think you have to sign up before the 2nd, and then it's done, okay? All right, the third thing I want to talk to you about is for 1 year, like literally 12 and a half months, I have been considering doing a subscription box. And I've mentioned it a few times on my Facebook page. I mentioned it in the last newsletter, but I really, really want to make this happen. So what a subscription box would be, and it's still in the works, I want all of your input, all of your ideas, but what it would be is a monthly mailer, so a monthly box that you would get, and it would be basically like a 1 item of the month club sort of a thing. So you would get 1 project, and you would get 1 pen or pencil or paint or pen or marker or something kind of cool. So over a 12-month period, you would end up with 12 projects and 12 different art supplies. So it would not have like all this other stuff in it. It would be pretty simple. And basically it's for people that love to tangle and want more than just, the online YouTube videos or whatever. So the price point will be below $20, and I am considering trying to set it up so that $1 of every kit goes to the American Cancer Society. My family is very, very affected by cancer. And I just think it'd be cool if I could then, $1 of your kit could go to something wonderful like that. So I'm still working through that, but it would be below $20. You'd have to pay shipping, but hopefully shipping would be pretty inexpensive. And let me just think of an example. So when I started tangling, I was like, I want all the things and all the pens, and I want to do poetry tangling. I want to tangle on black tiles. I want to use gold pens. I want to use koi pens or koi markers. I want to use watercolor. And there just wasn't one place to go for all of that. So my idea is that I'm giving you a sampling, kind of something fun to do every month, something to explore. So you would get, let's say, a set of magnets to tangle on. Oh, I'm starting to get a bunch of questions now and messages. I love it. You would get let's say a set of magnets to tangle on, and then a cool pen. There would be videos for the whole thing. That might only be 4 or 5 videos a month, but they would take you through your whole project. They would be exclusive to subscribers. Right now, all of my content is free for the whole world on YouTube, but my subscription box, for paying for that and being a monthly member, you would get exclusive videos, okay? That means there would be no ads, no Google ads, no breaks. It would just be me talking you through kind of like a regular YouTube video, but without all the extra junk. So there would be exclusive videos only to subscribers, and it would not be 20 videos in a huge project. It would just be something small. We would try gold paint or gold pens. We would try white pens on black paper. We would maybe make some cards or some gift tags. I literally have 50 ideas I keep running by my family. And then of course my best friend April, I'm always like, would you do this? Would you like this? So I have a huge list compiled of all of my ideas. And I know some of you, someone's like, no ads, sign me up. I know, the ads are the worst. And I want you guys to know, when you watch one of my YouTube videos, I get paid about 1 penny per watch. And you think of how many ads are playing, how much YouTube got paid, right, to play those ads, and then you get interrupted during your Zen moments, and then I get a penny. So a lot of instructors, a lot of CZTs don't put their stuff on YouTube. They do, charge per class kind of a thing, because the payback really is not that much. But I'll still keep making free content, of course, for YouTube because it's my favorite. But the subscription box would be ad-free. The public would not have the videos. I would also have a separate Facebook group that you could join where we could share our work and talk, and I would go live more often, and just kind of a little group where we just sort of go over the new techniques, the new materials, and things like that every month. And of course you can cancel your subscription at any time. There's no commitment. And yeah, I've got tons of ideas. So right now I have big lists, big ideas. My daughter Lily works with me probably like one evening a week and helps me put kits together, helps me go over the ideas. My friend April, of course, is always saying yay or nay to things. But my daughter and I are traveling tomorrow. We're going to Las Vegas. There is something called the Las Vegas Market, and it happens twice a year. And it's a market with 3,500 vendors. So what I need to do as a business owner to provide you things, I need to be able to order in bulk. So like my last kit is up close to 600 people, and I can't go to Hobby Lobby and buy 600 pens or 600 magnets or whatever. Like, it's just so hard to buy in bulk. And I'm also paying full price if I go to Hobby Lobby or Amazon. So my hope with going to market is that I can find some hopefully US vendors that maybe have a business in journals or paper products or pens or paint. You know, maybe they can cut wood shapes in a workshop they have at home, and they can make me, you know, 500 wooden pumpkins or something. So that's why I'm going to Vegas. So I'm taking my daughter with me, and it's a 4-day conference or a 4-day market. We're only going to go to 2 of the days because I think we'll be overwhelmed with that. But we're just so excited to go see if we can develop some relationships and get some cool products out to you guys. So as of right now, this weekend, there will be no Minutes of Zen video, no mandala video, and those will probably stop for about a month while I get into Coastal Calm, because I've got Vegas, the summer Tangle thing, and Coastal Calm coming up. But after that, I will go back to providing content on YouTube. So if like the Inktober, you know, the 31 Tangles of Inktober, that'll all be free. If I do a journal kit for December, if I do, what's it called, Fragments in January, those will all still be on YouTube, so you don't have to panic. The subscription box will just be something a little bit extra for those people that are like, I would like a project every month that I could sit and do and try some new things. So that's it. So I'm off to Vegas tomorrow for 4 days. If you guys have any suggestions of must-sees or must-dos or where we should eat, I'm open to suggestions. And when I get back, I hope to have a few relationships with some good companies. I would love to get you guys just some really good quality materials. I will still continue to get things from Zentangle Company as well. I love their pens, their pencils, their paper tiles. So we'll still be doing some of that. Someone just said junk journal in December. Yes, please. I know, that was so much fun. I want to do that again. So I've got lots of ideas, and summer is when I don't work because I teach reading during the school year. So this summer has just been like ideas, and I got to get some things in place before work starts again in the fall. So hopefully it will start if they take me back. But anyway, I just wanted to share that with you. Coastal Calm kits are available. Videos start August 4th on a Monday. Mini mandalas and Minutes of Zen will be hold off for about a month while we get through Coastal Calm. And subscription box info will come out soon. So I don't know exactly what month to release it. I don't want to release it at the same time as a bigger kit, and now you've got all this money you have to spend. So I'm trying to time it just right, but I've got some fun ideas, you guys. So so comment below if you have anything that you've always wanted to try with Zentangle. Do you want a Zentangle on wood, on a jar, on a glass, on a notebook, a purse, a bag? Just let me know. Let me know your ideas. Let me know what you think. I hope when I get back from Vegas next week, in the next week or 2, my husband and I will be setting up a wait list. And I will email whoever's on my email list, and I will also post it on Facebook, but I will have a subscription box wait list, and that will just like put your name on it. Doesn't commit you to anything, but you can put your name on it. And then as more information comes out, it'll go directly to you, and then you can make your decisions. Okay? I hope that all made sense. That was a lot of rambling. This is what my family has to go to when they take me out to eat now. I just have so many ideas. So yeah, thank you so much. Thank you for buying the Coastal Calm kits. A lot of you know we lost air conditioning here for a couple of weeks, and it's Michigan and it was like 95 degrees and high humidity. So I took over a little room in the house that was my daughter's bedroom, and she moved out, and bought a little air conditioning unit, and we made 500 boxes, well now 600, in that tiny little room with the AC unit going. So it was a lot of fun, but now I'm ready for like cooler weather and fall vibes, and getting through the coastal kit, thinking about Inktober and all the other things. So anyway, love you guys. Thank you for your constant support. And yeah, comment, send me information, send me ideas, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.